We got Nature Box. Tell 'em.
Yeah, we got Nature Box.
Okay, what is that?
Grandpa's Nature Box.
Ooh, it looks like
What is it?
granola.
Don't you eat
Okay, it is chocolate hazelnut granola. So
Don't you eat
there's
any.
chocolate in there.
Grandpa's Nature Box.
Grandpa's Nature Box.
What are you doing? What are you? Are you opening? No. Oh no! No, don't eat any.
We have to eat some.
Okay, let me know what you think of it.
Alright, go ahead.
Let's see.
You like that one?
Uh-huh.
That would be good on top of yogurt, huh?
Uh-huh.
Maybe we should get some yogurt from the store.
Yum.
Okay, what are those? Let's see.
Gummy little things.
These are strawberry lemonade fruit stars.
Yeah, they're mine. Grandpa's Nature Box.
No, Grandpa.
Grandpa's Nature Box.
Okay. What do you think?
No.
No, you don't like those?
Kind of.
You kind of like them?
Give it to Grandpa. My Nature Box.
Okay, next one.
Ooh, popcorn.
Let's see. Parmesan garlic pop pop. Oh, these are good. These are like partially popped. Okay. Try those and let us know what you think.
Oh, that's one.
Grandpa Papa. Grandpa Papa.
Show the camera what it looks like before you eat it.
Okay, this.
No,
This. It looks
they're
like.
so interesting. They look like they're just not popped all the way.
This looks really yummy. You will want to try this.
Okay.
Oh no.
No, you don't like those? All right.
Grandpa's Nature Box. Oh.
Actually, I like it.
No.
Okay, what's that?
Oh, it's like.
It's sweet and salty nut medley. So go ahead and open it up, and I think it's pretty self-explanatory though.
I really don't
You're
know.
Nut Medley.
Yummy, I love this.
You're Nut Medley.
Yummy.
What kind of nuts does it come with? Ooh, yum.
It has salt on it. That's
it is.
why
It
it's
looks
so.
very salty, actually. You like the almonds?
Uh-huh.
You've grown to like almonds because you didn't always like almonds, huh?
I love it.
All right. What's the last one? Praline pumpkin seeds.
Oh, I love those. Hey, now you don't like those. Here, give them to me.
No, I love
What?
them. Can you open it?
Yes.
And we open.
So it seems like the nuts and the granola is your favorite.
Yeah, so far.
Okay, here you go. Here, let's see what they look like. Okay. Let's see what these.
Grandpa's Nature Box. You don't like those. You hate those. Give them over here.
No.
Come on, you hate those. You know you hate them.
No.
Seriously, you don't like
No.
them. Try it.
Okay, try it. What do you think?
See, I told you you hate it.
Mm.
No, don't like them. You gotta hate them.
So, Nature Box, kid approved. What do you think, Naomi?
Good.
You're a pretty picky eater and you like all this stuff, right?
That's
You like
Grandpa's
most of it.
favorite right there, that one.
Which one was your favorite, Naomi?
Granola.
The granola, I agree. Should we get some yogurt to put on top? We'll put that on top of some yogurt.
I want one more
Make sure you
bite.
shut it off.
Just one more
Yum.
bite.
Just one more bite. All right. Say bye.
Oh, I hope you liked the video. Goodbye.